Residential sales comparison and income approaches, page 193. Once the comparable sales data has been gathered and analyzed for its reliability and relevance, the process of deriving an overall capitalization rate is fairly simple. Appraisers use a formula or technique known as IVR. This is the formula. The I is for income, and it has in parentheses NOI, net operating income, divided by value, and then it has in parentheses the sale price. That will equal your rate, IVR. For example, in the course of analyzing an investment property that produces $38,000 net operating income annually, the appraiser collected the following sales and income data. Sale number 1 sold for $425,000. Its NOI was $39,600. I, income, divided by V, value, equals R. 39,600 for the income, divided by $425,000, which was the sale price, value, equals 0.0932. And then you move the decimal place over to the right, 2 of them, which will then equal 9.32%. That's your rate, your overall capitalization rate. Same thing for sale number 2. You take its sale price, which was $470,000, and you also figure out what the NOI was, which was $42,000, $42,300, and $42,300 divided by 470,000 equals 0.0900. Move the decimal over 2 places to the right, and you have 9.0%. And same thing for sales 3 through 5. And you can see the different overall capitalization rates that are kicked out. In forming conclusions from this example, it can be noted that 3 of the 5 resulting indications are most closely related at 9.00% to 9.05%. Here's another example. We got another, or actually it's the same ones. That being said, sale 2, sale 4, and sale 5 had that. That's why you got that 9.00 to 9.05. I think what they kind of did was they aimed for the middle, whatever. Thus, the appraiser has the best support for concluding somewhere within this range, and probably at the lower part, since 2 of those conclusions are suggesting 9.00% as being a reasonable indication for an overall capitalization rate. To further support the appraiser's evaluation of the data, it can be noted that the subject's NOI is bracketed between the 9.01% and the 9.05% conclusion. Using the band of investment technique. Once acquainted with the fundamentals of the band of investment technique, developing an indication of an overall capitalization rate is not particularly difficult. However, the basis for the technique and the components involved with the process are sometimes daunting when first introduced. There are different techniques that incorporate a band of investment formula using various components, but probably the most common version involves the analysis of. That was the end of that lesson. Another tip, an overall capitalization rate, regardless of the technique being used to indicate it, is always derived from the market in a market value assignment. Extra note, percent to decimal, move 2 places to the right.